સંધાન ઓલ ગુજરાત ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ ક્લાસરૂમ.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.
નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો. આપણે આજે કેમિસ્ટ્રીમાં લેક્ચર લઈશું. એમાં અમારી સાથે આવેલા તજજ્ઞ ડૉક્ટર જી આર પટેલ સાહેબ તમને આલ્કિલ હેલાઇડ વિશે માહિતી આપશે અને ત્યારબાદ હું તમને એરાઇલ હેલાઇડ વિશે માહિતી આપીશ. તો આપણે હવે ચાલુ કરીએ છીએ. ડૉક્ટર જી આર પટેલ સાહેબ સ્ટાર્ટ કરતો.
નમસ્કાર મિત્રો. કમ્પાઉન્ડ્સ આજે આપણે હેલોજન સંયોજનો વિશે વાત કરશું. ધી કમ્પાઉન્ડ્સ ડિરાઇવ્સ ફ્રોમ ધી હાઇડ્રોકાર્બન્સ બાય ધ રિપ્લેસમેન્ટ ઓફ વન ઓર મોર હાઇડ્રોજન એટમ બાય ધ હેલોજન ઇઝ નોન એઝ હેલોજન કમ્પાઉન્ડ્સ. હેલોજન ડેરિવેટિવ્સ. ધી ડેરિવેટિવ્સ ઓફ alkanes are known as haloalkanes or say alkyl halide. The derivative of halogen derivatives of alkenes are known as haloalkenes or alkynyl halides. The derivatives, halogen derivatives of alkynes, they are known as alkynyl halides or haloalkynes, and the halogen derivatives of arenes are known as aryl halides. Say X for example, say halides CH3CH2Cl or methyl chlorides, they are haloalkanes. CH2 double bond CHCl or say chloroethene or say vinyl chloride, they are the haloalkanes. Say chloroacetylene, it is the haloalkynes, and chlorobenzenes, they are the example of haloarenes. Now compounds monohalides, dihalides, trihalides means alkyl halides, they are classified monohalides, dihalides, trihalides, tetrahalides depending on the number of halogen atom introduced in the hydrocarbon molecule. X for example, monohalides, general formula CnH2n plus 1 X. Say CH3Cl, CH3CH2Cl, all these are the example, or say isopropyl chloride, tertiary butyl chlorides, they are monohalides. Now dihalides, say replacement of two hydrogen atom by the two halogen, say Cn H2n X2. The formula is Cn H2n X2. Say CH2Cl2 methylene dichloride, say CH2Cl CH2Cl ethylene dichloride or say vicinal dihalide. CH3CHCl2 geminal dihalide or say ethylene dichloride, the example of dihalides. Say now chloroform, say general formula is CnH2n minus 1 X3. Say CHCl3, CHBr3 in which 3 halogen atom is there. So chloroform, bromoform, they are the example of trihalides. Tetrahalides, say CCl4, all the hydrogen atoms from the methane molecules are replaced by Cl. CCl4 or say C2Cl6. So CCl4 is known as perhalomethane. C2Cl6 is known as perhaloethane. Now monoalkyl halides, they are further classified on the basis of nature of carbon carrying the halogen atom. Say primary halides, secondary halides, tertiary halides. Halogen atom is attached to primary carbon, say dash CH2X, CH3 CH2Cl or say CH3Cl or say CH3 CH2 CH2Cl, 1 chloropropane, 1 chlorobutane, all these are the examples of primary halides. Now secondary halides, the carbon having halogen which is linked with two more carbons, say CH3, CHCl, CH3, or say secondary butyl chloride. They are the example of secondary halides. Now tertiary halides, say halogen atom is linked with tertiary carbon. Halogen atom is linked with tertiary carbon. Say CH3, CH3, CH3Cl. It is the example of tertiary halides. Now alkyl halides. Now in alkyl halides, we see position and chain isomerism. Now as we know that in propane, there are two types of carbon. Say methyl is primary carbon, methylene is secondary carbon. So if we put halogen Cl, suppose, on the CH3 carbon on CH3 carbon, so it becomes 1-chloropropane, CH3, CH2, CH2Cl. So by replacement of hydrogen from methyl by halogen, say becoming 1-chloropropane. Now CH3, CHCl, CH3, it is the example of 2-chloropropane. So 1-chloropropane and 2-chloropropane, they are the example of position isomers. Now one more example, C4H9Cl, suppose if we take, so C4H9Cl have 4 isomers, say 1-chlorobutane, say isobutyl chloride, say secondary butyl chloride, tertiary butyl chloride. Now as we know that 1-chlorobutane and isobutyl chloride, the halogen is on the primary carbon CH2Cl, CH2Cl. 1-chlorobutane if we take, or say isobutyl chloride, CH3CH, CH3, CH2Cl. But the chain is in 1-chlorobutane, it is a 4 carbon, and in isobutyl chloride, it is a 3 carbon chain. 3 carbon means branch structure. So it is a chain isomers. Now if we take 1-chlorobutane and 2-chlorobutane, the position of the halogen is changed. So it is a position isomers. Now 1-chlorobutane and tertiary butyl chloride, it shows chain and position both isomers. Isomers means what? Compounds having same molecular formula, but structure formula is different. So it is, and the phenomena is known as isomerism. Same molecular formula but different structure formula, they are isomers. So in butyl chloride, we have 4 types of isomers. Now second isobutyl chloride and secondary butyl chloride, it is a chain and position both isomers, and isobutyl chloride and tertiary butyl chloride shows only position isomers. And similarly secondary butyl chloride, 2-chlorobutane say, or tertiary butyl chloride say shows chain isomers. So all these are the phenomena of isomerism. Now see reactivity order of alkyl halides as far as halogen is concerned. So alkyl iodide is more reactive compared to alkyl bromide, compared to alkyl chloride, compared to alkyl fluoride. The data itself indicates that alkyl iodide requires lower energy is required to break the bond, 57.4 kilocalorie. On the other sides, alkyl fluorides, 105.5 kilocalorie per mole energy is required. So naturally alkyl iodide is more reactive. Now as far as alkyl carbon is concerned, so tertiary reactivity order of tertiary is greater than secondary, is greater than primary. Why? The carbon having halogen it is attached with 3 more carbons in tertiary halides. So it is a plus I effect, induced effect, and that's why it shows more electron density on the central carbon, more the electron density on central carbon, say easy to remove the halogen as a halide ion, and that's why the tertiary halide is more reactive compared to secondary primary. Now as we know that, say alkyl halides, the CX bond is polar. It is a polar covalent bond. CX bond is polar, and that's why because of polar attraction, the boiling point of alkyl halide is more than corresponding alkane, because alkane is non-polar. For example, CS3Cl, CS3CH2Cl ethyl chloride having boiling point 12.5, while other sides ethane, it is a gaseous minus 88, 89. So boiling point is different. Why? So because of the polar attractions. The bond CX bond is polar in alkyl halide. Now see general methods to prepare alkyl halides. Now we have different methods, say direct halogenation of alkanes, say by the addition of hydrogen halide to alkenes, say from alcohol, or say Borodin-Huntsdiger reactions, or say Swart reactions. So we have or Prinkel-Stein reactions. So we have different methods to get the alkyl halides. Now one by one we see alkyl halides. Say suppose methyl chloride, say direct chlorinations in presence of light. But as we know that in the periodic table, as we are going from chlorine to bromine to iodine, atomic number increases, atomic volume increases, and that's why the reactivity decreases. Naturally, fluorine is more reactive, and that's why direct fluorination is not possible, difficult, because it is exothermic reactions, and that's why say alkyl halides we prepared, alkyl fluorides we prepared by the Swart reactions from the chloride or bromides. That method we see later on. Say direct halogenation of, say chlorinations if we carried out of hydrocarbon methane molecules. So CH4 plus Cl2. So Cl2 is less reactive. So we need temperature or light. Say in presence of UV light, methane chlorinated to gives methyl chloride plus HCl. So it gives also methylene dichloride, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, because it is a chain reactions. But as we know that in the first step, the chlorine molecules absorb the energy and decompose into chlorine radical. So it is a initiation steps. Now in the second steps, propagation steps, the methane molecule combines with Cl radical, because Cl radical is loses octet, energetic species, so it is reactive. So combines with methane, gives methyl radical plus HCl. Now this methyl radical combines with Cl2, gives CH3Cl plus Cl radical. So by this way, the chain reactions occur. It is a free radical reactions. The chain reactions occur, and we get respectively methylene dichloride, chloroform, or carbon tetrachloride, depending on the concentration of the halogens. Say second is termination step is, say, both the halogen combines to produce Cl2 molecules. Cl-Cl radical combines, gives Cl2. Or say methyl radical combines to Cl, so gives methyl chloride. Or say both methyl radical combines, gives ethane. So it is a termination steps. Now in the iodinations, iodine is less reactive. So if we want to get alkyl iodide, say CH4 plus I2, so gives CH3I plus HI. But as we know that HI is a reducing agent, and that's why CH3I plus HI combines to give back methane plus I2. And that's why to get alkyl iodide, it is necessary to use nitric acids or iodic acid, HiO3. So the reaction is carried out in presence of HiO3 or HNO3. Now second method. Say second method is a addition of hydrogen halide to alkenes unsaturated. Say CH2 double bond CH2 ethene. If we add HCl or HI or HBr, whatever may be, but it is a electrophilic addition reactions, but we get same product because alkene, symmetrical alkene, say 2-chlorobutane, and again if we add HI, suppose, or say HBr, so we get 2-bromobutane or 2-iodobutane, so we are getting same product, only one product. Now in case of propene, it reacts with HBr. So here the possibility, okay, bromine combines to second carbon, means central carbon, or say first carbon. So that will follows according to stability of carbocation, because it is a electrophilic addition.